Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant. Greetings of the day. Today I am going to demo you a hybrid mobile solution which is built using SAP UI5 and packaged with Cordova to run on a mobile device. It combines both online as well as the offline capability, device integration, and secure connectivity to the S4HANA system. Like first the end user interaction, the user can start this mobile app on their device. Since the app is packaged with Cordova, it behaves like a native app, but internally it runs a UI5 application. Second, it comes to the Cordova hybrid app layer. Inside this, where our UI5 application runs. The UI5 application accesses the OData service, which helps us reading, updating tickets, alerts, and other notifications. And the application also have the offline capability, so it uses a localized SQLite database table, so that even without our internet, our we can still create, manage, or delete our tickets or notifications from the application. Now comes to the Cordova plugins. So this Cordova plugins give the UI5 app access to the native features of the device, such as GPS, camera, notifications, gallery, device sensors, file system to store any documents or anything. So the third pointer, the app uses a Google authentication for the secure login. Authentication occurs on the device. Once you are logged in, you can use the OData access. You can use the OData services securely with our UEFI application. Then comes to the how the application is connected to the S4HANA system. The UEFI app sends a OData service request. These requests reach to our S4HANA system securely, which is exposed on the cloud, securely exposed on the cloud. The backend returns the ticket data, assert alerts. This is how the application interacts with our S4HANA system. When the internet is not available, as I've explained, the app switches to the offline mode and use the SQLite database table to sync the record into the application. And when we get the internet connection back, it sync them to the S4HANA system. So this is how the application architecture works. So in the next video, I will demo you how the application works in the real time. Thank you. Hello everyone. So I'm going to demo you the application, how it works in the real time. So the first thing is the application is already installed in my device. You can see it here. The application is installed. So opening the app, so it will start and take me to the login screen. As I've already explained in the last video, like I have the Google like authentication, so I have to use my Google ID to log into the application. So once I'm securely logged in, so I can start the app and access the tickets. So you can see all the tickets are now listed here. The app has a stable internet connection right now, so the app shows me in the online status. At the time the app doesn't have a stable or have no internet connection, the application status will go in the offline mode. So let me just show you. I'm going to cut off my internet connection from the device. So it will just show me, as you can see, the button here shows the connection status and it is not connected to the internet. So it shows disconnected, as well as you can see here the mobile status is showing as offline. Let me just start my internet connection again. And now the thing is how the application uses our native features of the hardware. For example, camera of file access. So for a like a basic demo, I am going to show you how the app uses our camera. So you can see here I have some features like where you can add some images. So pressing on this add image icon, you can see the application is now accessing my camera. So pressing this button, I can click an image and you can see the image is now clicked and it is shown on the screen. And you can see now I have the stable internet connection, so the application will have the direct access to the S4HANA system using OData services. So if I now press on save, it will create this photo record in our S4HANA database table. So pressing on the save, it will save the record. in our S4 HANA system. As you said, the building saved successfully. So now if I go back, and for the first, I have created the added the picture. That the picture is still shown here. Now the thing is how the application will manage the data if I have no internet connection to the device. So again, I'm going to cut off the internet from my device, and you can see the application again goes into the offline mode. I will show you on the main screen. Yeah, you can see the application again goes to the offline mode. So let me just go again. And now the question is how will application still be able to access all the native features of the device? Yes, the application will still be able to access everything. For example, camera, file system, and GPS. Uh, if I am accessing my camera, so clicking the photo, yeah. So the images I just clicked is shown here, the second one. And now I'm going to press on save button. What will happen? The data, all the data that are stored, that I have created in the application in offline mode will go into the local SQLite database storage. So that storage will hold off all the data that is created when the application has no internet connection. So this photo that I have taken just now, and I'm going to save it. So this data is now in SQLite storage. Let me just go back here. So also just for the user indication there to tell the user like they have some unsync records. We have shown the count here. Also the last time the refreshed data is on the app. So now I'm going to refresh the app, but I don't have internet connection. So I'm going to start my internet services back. So you can see the button is shown is here green, as well as you can see the mobile status is shown as online. So now I'm going to refresh the app so that all the data that I have just created and is lying in my SQLite storage can go back to the S4 HANA database tables. So now all the data is sent successfully. Now it is refreshing all the data. It will take few seconds. Now you can see everything is refreshed. Now if I go back to the same ticket, you can see the data is still shown here. So this is how the application manage all the data using offline as well as the online capability, and how the hybrid app uses the native features of the device. Thank you.